Hello, my loves, it's Kasha, Planarista 101, and it's time for another plan with me. This time we're going to be working on our currently page. This is in my main planner, which is my main personal planner. So Happy Planner Wild Styled Classic Size, that's where this is coming from. So I'm going to go ahead and grab some label paper and cover up the top and the bottom to make it all white and nice and ready to work on this currently. I don't want this black top, or I don't want all of the holidays on the bottom. I really don't need them, so I'm gonna go ahead and mark this off, and then I can cut it and put it on top. And why do I do this? I just wanted to say thank you. If it's your first time in my channel, welcome. I hope you're really enjoying being here, and please consider subscribing. I would love to have you here as a permanent watcher. And if you are already subscribed, you guys know how I feel about you guys. It's like having my own best friends who absolutely get the same things as I do. I can't imagine talking to strangers about the planner and them completely understanding what I mean. It's so nice. Okay, so now one part is done. I'm gonna do the bottom next, because again, I don't really need all of those holidays. So I'm going to go ahead and cover that up. I am going to keep that holidays, birthdays, dates to remember flag, because I want some black in my planner, and I think that will look pretty great. So I'm just gonna pull out my old currently. I think it will be much easier to follow the prompts when I have an example Excel. So now I'm going to go ahead and cover up the bottom portion of this planner, and we'll go from there. Okay, beautiful. And I can save the rest of the label paper for another time, no problem. Okay, so here we go. So let me just cut this to make sure that it's covered, and I think that's pretty great. So I am going to be using my own stickers that I made with Cricut. I purchased these images from a freelancer, and now I'm able to play with them a little bit, and it makes me so happy. This will be matching my monthly spread, so if you saw that video already, thank you so much. And I pulled out the mega rainbow sticker book. And the reason is because it has so many stickers and they're color coordinated, and I know that I need green to spell out December because I covered up the dates. So I am going to be pulling out all of the letters I need for December. Okay, a couple more. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to line them up on a ruler and transfer over to my planner. This way they will be spaced evenly and they will look right versus possibly not being even at all. Okay, so it's almost done. And now you just take the ruler, line it up, and press them down to transfer. And you have them nice and easy. And then you press the bottoms down and that's it. You have stickers that are transferred. They're nice and even and evenly spaced. So I can put this book away. And I'm going to start putting down a few of the stickers that I have. I am going to take the monthly colorful boxes and use some greens from there. I do need a currently box. So I'm going to cover up that notes and put currently down. So I'm going to be using a zebra pen, which is a little bit darker. Actually, yes. So I'm going to be using the zebra pen, which is a gel pen, and it is so great. So we have currently, and I'm going to write out all of the prompts. So we have reading, watching, cooking, eating, loving, dreaming, feeling, listening, celebrating, going, those are the prompts for my currently pages. I actually make them myself now. This one doesn't have it, but it is more than okay. I have no problem writing it down, especially this wild style planner. It is set up so perfectly to be able to accommodate all of this. It's going to wiggle that piece out, but it actually doesn't look that bad, so I'm going to leave it in, not to tear up my sticker. And I think it's so gorgeous. Again, if you guys watched my monthly spread, you already know that I was gushing over these stickers so much. I think they are so beautiful. They do remind me of Christmas, and they do look so festive and beautiful. Okay, so I'm just gonna be adding quite a few little details all around and go from there. I think that will be great. I really think this is lovely. And I'm going to cover up notes and ideas and put dates. This is where I actually put all of my dates that I'm tracking. And I wanted to use this green because it matches December. And then I just took my Sigma pen and covered up all of the, like, one of the letters that was sticking out. So here we go, those are dates. And then I'm gonna start writing out the dates. Let me just put one more decoration around there. I think that's so beautiful. Okay, let's go ahead and fill out my currently page. So right now I am reading some romance novels. I think that's just a good feel kind of books. And I'm watching The Good Doctor. I'm cooking Thanksgiving. I'm eating mostly home meals, which is awesome. Homemade is so good, especially when you can keep it healthy. I'm loving making my stickers. That has been such a highlight of this season. I cannot get enough of it. I'm dreaming of a new home still. I still haven't found my perfect house. And when I do find it, I feel like it's scooped right from under me. So either way, if it's gone, it's gone. Maybe it wasn't meant to be. That's how I'm taking it. I'm feeling pretty great lately, which is great. I'm listening to my sister's playlist on Spotify. Celebrating the holidays. I can't wait to put up my Christmas tree. I am waiting until the Thanksgiving is over to do that. And I'm going to my boyfriend and back. So I'm going to Alec and back. That's all I'm doing, work and Alec. And then a crafting planner. Always my planner. This planner brings me so much joy. I really don't know how I would have survived this year and the quarantine without this. So it is just such a blessing. Okay, I'm just looking up some dates in my planner to make sure that I have all of the dates down that I need to put down. So I have a few birthdays on the 1st. I'm just writing out the birthdays. 19th is my mom's birthday. And then, of course, we have Christmas Eve and Christmas and New Year's Eve. So those are the dates in December. I'm sure there'll be other dates that will be coming up for parties and stuff. And I'm leaving some white space under the holidays, birthdays, dates to remember. So if anything else comes up, I can go ahead and write it in. Okay, so because I don't like the way this looks, I'm going to take a long box and I'm going to write down. I'm going to put the dates in a skinny pen, and then I'm going to be using the zebra gel pen to write the rest. And then we have the 24th, 25th, and 31st, and this box will be too long, but then I'm going to figure out a way to cut this so it sits perfectly in my planner. Let's go ahead and do that. So I'm gonna take my precision tool, which I love. It is such a game changer. If you're interested in this, it is in my description. And if you do choose to buy it, if you wouldn't mind using my affiliate link, that would help me out a lot. Every little penny counts. It's not a lot. It doesn't cost you anything extra. It's just telling Amazon that you came from me. Okay, so I am cutting that and applying to the top, and that's practically it. I hope you enjoyed this currently. I know it's a little bit different. Like I said, I do love my stickers so much. So for me to be able to create it like this, it means so much. So if you're watching all the way to the end, thank you so much. I truly appreciate you, and I'll see you guys for another plan with me very soon. Thank you for watching, and happy Thanksgiving. See you soon. Bye.